Before we wrap up, let's shift our focus to big news that we're tracking. As far as the Tirupati Laddu adulteration probe is concerned, lens on 3 ghee supplying dairies is what we're picking up. Let's tell you, big breakthrough because the CBI has arrested 4 individuals on that front. The arrest of a supply of ghee. So clearly a lot that has happened as far as the controversy of the adulteration probe and the row of Tirupati Laddu is concerned. Now, the lens is on 3 ghee supplying dairies. Some of the visuals on your screens of who have been nabbed, a crackdown by the central agency here, with them arresting 4 individuals. Moreover, more details that we do have at the moment is that those arrested. All right, let me take that across to Samit. Samit, very good morning. Clearly, a significant development. What do we know about the ones who have been arrested by the CBI in this matter?
Earlier when this actually came out, when Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, he even stated that, adulterated ghee was used for the making of the laddus at the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. At that time, it has become a national issue, and later, a SIT team was formed to investigate into this, and later the matter was escalated to Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has constituted a SIT headed by the CBI chief, and they started probing into this matter. They have started questioning several persons related in this case, and people from the officials from the TTD, and also people from the AR Dairy, Vaishnavi Dairy, and also even from the Bole Baba Dairy. And finally, yesterday, we have even got the pictures, and we have got, this information from the top sources, and where 4 persons actually arrested. I would just like to read out their names. And, one of the person is, mainly who was facing allegations that because even we have put out the documents at that time, we have accessed the documents.
Right, Samit.
Mainly how irregularities were found in the procurement of the ghee. So as of now, 4 accused have been arrested.
All right, Samit, I appreciate you getting us those details and also telling us what Times Network has been able to access. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you as you keep us ahead. But for the moment, we leave the conversation at that. And on